This was the ZCAISH ZCAISH cordless vacuum cleaner, 550 watt, 45 kPa stick vacuum with smart display, max 60 minutes, vacuum cleaner for home with aromatherapy system, anti-tangle vacuum cleaner for carpet, hardwood floor, pet hair. And we have the MIUZZY, MIUZZY, lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner, up to 50 minutes, vacuum cleaner for home with powerful suction, self-standing, click, stick, and handheld vacuum for carpets, hardwood floor, pet hair. Now, let's talk differences. This is not self-standing and a touch screen which allows you to change the power of your suction via the touch screen. Trigger on, trigger off. And the MIUZZY comes with, you can see there's a built-in brush attachment here that remains on the device. It is lighter weight than the others. It is self-standing, like so. But overall, this is my least favorite one. It feels cheap and poorly constructed. It also did not do well in the suction test where I used rice to vacuum them up. You can see some of the rice is on the table there. It got stuck inside, somewhere inside the vacuum cleaner. It didn't make it into the dust collection bin and fell back out of the vacuum cleaner after the test was over. MIUZZY is lightweight, has a cool design, but it is my least favorite of these four. This is the wall mount for the MIUZZY, and a single attachment. I don't know where this is supposed to live. Doesn't have a place to live on the wall mount, and therefore may get lost. On the ZCAISH, the OLED screen, it looks cool, but I don't know that you really need it. It's just single touch in order to go from 1 to 3 different levels of suction power. But overall, it's got a nice design on the head and good rotation, and it's got a good solid feeling to it.